Welcome back to the Dun Dun Fitness podcast and welcome to a brand new year. Whether you've been training with us for years or you're listening because you're thinking about walking through our doors for the very first time, this episode is for you. Because January isn't about doing something extreme or starting over from scratch. It's really about getting back to feeling like yourself again, feeling stronger, more energized, and more confident in your body. And if the holidays threw you off of your routine, if you haven't worked out consistently, or if life has been feeling heavy or stressful, I want you to hear me clearly. You're not behind. You're not failing. You just need a fresh start and the right support. This year, your health gets to feel more simple, more doable, and more aligned with the season of life that you're in. So let's talk about how to rebuild strong habits and how to actually make them stick. This time of year, so many women tell me, I feel sluggish, I feel heavy, I feel unmotivated. I can't believe how quickly I got out of shape, right? Does that all sound familiar? And here's what I always say. That is normal. There's nothing wrong with you, and you didn't lose your progress. You just lost your rhythm. So, between stress, holidays, busy schedules, colder weather, right? All of that, it's completely human to fall out of routine. Whether you're a current member who hasn't been in as much or someone brand new listening because you want to feel better again, you're in the right place and you're right on time. Your body knows how to bounce back. You just need a plan that meets you where you are right now. So let's simplify things because the world makes fitness so much more complicated than it needs to be, especially for us women ages 40 to 65. Here are four things that your body is really asking for. Number one, strength training that feels supportive, not intimidating. Conditioning that boosts your energy and doesn't drain it. A coach who shows you what to do so you don't have to guess. And realistic habits that you can actually maintain. So let's dive into those a little bit. When we talk about strength training that feels supportive, we know that strength training is important, right? Especially if you've listened to this podcast, we know that women need to be lifting weights, right? There's a lot of emphasis on this in the wellness space or in the fitness space. But it can really be intimidating for the everyday person, especially for women, especially if you don't have a background in strength training, right? But there's a difference between weightlifting for performance athletes, which we can also help with, and strength training programs that help you get stronger and promote longevity, right? Our sessions are guided, structured strength work that protect your joints, boost metabolism, and help you feel strong in your everyday life. Okay, I'm talking about things like making it easier to carry your groceries in from the car, right? Making it easier to pick up your kids or your grandkids and enjoy the day with them. Those are everyday things that we're hoping that you can enjoy, or at least go about easier than you do right now. You don't have to be, doing anything crazy. Let us take care of that for you, okay? When it comes to conditioning that boosts your energy, a lot of times what we find is most women don't need harder workouts. They need effective workouts. Using the right mix of pace, intervals, and recovery really makes all the difference. You should not be leaving your workouts feeling drained or like you need a nap for the rest of the day. Believe it or not, you should leave with more energy than when you came in. So that's what we're really looking for. When it comes to coaching, one of the biggest barriers to consistency is simply not knowing. So, not knowing, am I doing this right? Should I be pushing harder? Is this enough? We remove all of that guesswork for you, right? So, we provide you with an individual workout. Our coaches will correct your form. We're going to suggest what weights you should start with and how and when you should progress, or even if you should modify something. So we take all of that guesswork out for you. We know that you're not going to get hurt, right? Because we're correcting your form, we're giving you an appropriate weight. So we're going to challenge you without the risk of injury. And then last but not least, realistic habits that you can actually maintain. So this is the boring stuff, right? The stuff that you're like, yeah, Megan, I know that already. I know you do, but that doesn't mean that you're doing it, right? So the boring things like drinking enough water, adding simple movement back into your day, prioritizing protein, and improving your sleep routine. These small things really do add up. These small things create momentum, and these small things build confidence. You don't need a diet, you don't need a cleanse, and you really don't need an extreme challenge. You just need a clear path and someone in your corner. Most people think that they struggle with motivation, but what they actually struggle with is doing everything alone. So here's the truth. Consistency is easier when you have a coach who checks in. Progress comes faster when someone is guiding your form, and confidence grows when someone is cheering you on. This is true for the woman who wants to just lose a few pounds, the woman who wants her energy back, the woman who wants to move and feel better, the woman who has avoided the gym because she feels intimidated, and even the woman who used to be an athlete but doesn't feel like that version of herself anymore. And if you're already a member, this is your reminder that you're part of a community meant to keep you steady, not just in January, but all year long. No shame, no guilt, just support, guidance, and a space where you can take a deep breath and start again. So take a second with me and imagine what this year can look like for you. Imagine this year feeling like you actually look forward to coming to the gym. You feel strong in your movements and confident in your body. You know exactly what to do when you walk in. You have coaches who make adjustments for your needs. You stay consistent because the plan is realistic. You see progress, not from doing more, but from doing what works. All of this is 100% possible for you, whether you're coming back from a break, starting fresh, or currently a member who's just looking to rebuild that momentum. There's a place for you here and a team ready to support you. So, as you step into the new year, I want you to ask yourself, what would your life look like if you simply stayed consistent with a plan that was designed for you? You don't need to overhaul your life. You don't need to be perfect. You just need a supportive environment with a clear plan. And that's exactly what our team at Dun Dun provides every single day. If you're a current client, we're excited to walk beside you as you rebuild your rhythm. If you're thinking about getting started, this is your sign to go ahead and take that first step. Reach out. Come in for a trial session. Let us help you feel stronger this year from the inside out. Thanks so much for being here, and I can't wait to support you through this incredible January.